Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. DIDNT, I'm your host P Fryer, aka P is for polarizing. Anyway, this is another episode of And Also. I'm just going to the Carnaby Street Adidas store just to see what I've gone for the LG2 version 2 drop. I'm not queuing up today because work and etc. But I'm gonna see who's there and see what's good. Alright, I'm gonna see you on the flip side, gang. Peace. As you can see, small queue, nothing crazy today. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy. This is my chair, it's not really. I have no chair. Shout out to the guys. What's good? Beautiful blue, by the way. You can't catch that baby blue. Sorry, I touched the shoes. It might kick me. And some beautiful brown suede these. I've shown you these ones. They're so nice. I've got all whites on like a little Essex tart today. Come on, you know how we do it. I'm just gonna look around and see what they look like. All the way, all the way. And here's the bad boys right there. Come on. Love it. Great pair. Alright. Let me do something different. I'll do something a little different today, I think. Today I'll do something a little different. Alright, cool. Let me start. I'll start with Mr. Adidas here. In the middle. I'll go across. Alright, fella, tell me. I'm going to ask you a couple questions, why not? If not, since you're here. Tell me your name and then I'm going to ask you a couple questions. What's your name, sir?
Sam Alexander.
Good man, how are you?
Not bad, not
bad. Lovely.
Lovely.
This guy reached out to me, actually watches some of the content I actually make, which is dope, so I appreciate. And it's always good to meet people actually, you know. So I haven't met many people that I don't know that watch the channel, but it's always good to meet some people. Alright, let's do some quick fire. Liam Gallagher, are you a fan? Wow. I love that. See, what a setup. That was not rehearsed, by the way. That is a biblical answer. So yes, he's definitely a fan.
I had an epiphany.
Talk to me.
22.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Love it. Oh, you went?
I did, yeah.
Ah, good man. I wanted to go, but it was just me and I thought I'm not doing that all by myself. But okay, question. Favorite Oasis song?
Ooh, Don't Go Away.
Ooh, interesting.
Yeah.
Mine has an away in it. It's one of Slide Away. And I also love Gas Panic, which I don't know if people really love, but I love Gas Panic, but that's another story. Okay, favorite Liam song, if you have one.
Yes, it's hard. Probably Once.
Once, great choice. Alright, favorite shoe, Adidas.
That's hard.
Yeah.
I probably couldn't answer.
Alright, so let me say this.
To be fair,
go for it.
Malmo Net Spezial. I'll give you that, yeah.
Tell me a little brief description of them. What they look like, what colour?
Bright yellow. 3 blue stripes.
Yeah.
Boom.
The ones released last year?
A couple of years ago. Yeah.
Ah, great colourway. Alright, lovely. Let me think if I can think of anything else. Oh yeah, why not? Oasis, getting back together, yes or no?
Nope.
No,
the ship has sailed.
Thank you, I agree. I'm on your team, by the way. I agree. Over to you, sir. Tell me your name.
George Rudd.
Good man. How you doing, man?
Yeah, good, man. You?
Yeah, all good, man. We've seen a couple camp outs, and because my memory is so bad, I always say to you, "What's your name again?" Every time, I'm sure. All right. Quick question. Liam Gallagher fan, obviously. Of course. All right. Favorite Oasis song?
It's hard.
Just one that comes to mind. Doesn't have to really be your favorite.
Probably I'd say Married with Children.
Oh. That's a good call. I know. Okay, different. I like that.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Favorite Liam song or the song you've been playing the most lately from Liam?
Couldn't even tell you. Quite like The Joker on the new album.
Okay.
Quite like that.
All right, sounds good. We'll take that one. We'll bank it. All right. Favorite Adidas shoe? Again,
couldn't
I know,
even tell
I
you.
know.
I was trying to think whilst he was saying it.
I always say, when I say favourite, it's not really favourite, it's like your kids. More, I should say, you can tell me what's the most in the rotation at the moment.
My Grail, I had them, and I had to get rid of them.
Yes.
But was the Stretfords. I like the Stretford.
And why did you get rid?
What's that?
Why did you get rid? It was a moment of time.
Yeah, just a moment of time, and I had to.
I get you.
But Stretford or the Manny Marines.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, Oasis back together, yes or no?
I'd say yes, because I'm young, never got to see them, so I'd have to. I need to see them.
Makes sense. I'm old. I got to see them.
Exactly.
But you know.
Simple as that.
Yeah, simple as that. Nah, lovely. Thank you, sir. Love it. Is our man?
Yes, mate.
Come on, son. All right, tell me, what's your name? Dave. We know it's Dave. You don't mind being on camera, Dave? Obviously, you're on like all my videos anyway, so it's too late. All right. Fan of Liam Gallagher. More Oasis. That's fair enough.
About that, yeah.
All right. Favorite Oasis songs?
Favorite Oasis song? Live Forever.
Live Forever. Can't go wrong. All right. Not that much of a fan of Liam. Love the shoes. Have you got a favorite Liam song? And if you don't, favorite song that Liam sang on? All the best Oasis ones. Kind of.
What's the name of the song? Free to be whatever, right? Free to be whatever.
All right. Okay. We'll have that. All right. Favorite Adidas shoe?
Favorite Adidas shoe?
Or Grail that you don't have that you would love to have?
Soulbox. Berlin Soulbox.
Oh, good call.
Okay. Crooked
Tongues. Now you're going back.
Actually, Crooked Tongues, London.
What did they do?
Time. One of 300.
Oh, really?
300 and. You remember what the
I've not seen those.
1 390, 1 320.
They were the black and red ones.
When they done the collects, they done the Crooked Tongues, Soulbox. 320.
Black and red.
300 or something. One of 300 something, yeah.
All right. Oasis back together, yes or no?
No, not a chance.
All right.
That is long. Yeah.
It's long gone. All right. Thank you. There you go. Little quick fire questionnaire. You know, with the gang here. You know what I mean? As you can see, I'm in a lockdown t-shirt, a virtual concert. It was just me in my bedroom. Check the t-shirt, you see it.
Every city's trainer, isn't it? London Crooked Tongues.
It's busy out today, look. As usual. Busy. Normally this place is lined up, but I think they've stopped us lining up here, so which is cool. You can't go in here anymore, so I'm gonna walk in and then I'm gonna take a picture of the shoes. You know what I'm saying? I know, if it's not the man, the myth and Z legend, I don't know who it is. But wait, let me start. Come on, start from there. You got to do it right or you don't do it at all. You know what I mean? It's a slow pan. A slow pan, wait. And then pause for effect. And then slow pan up. And then man like Taylor. You know what I mean?
I was going to
Always
drive.
fresh. Always
And I was
got
like,
pocket.
I ain't going to get no
I
sleep.
mean, I don't even know why we bother. Like, you know how we does. Sing bag. You know how we does.
Panic, bro.
I haven't even started. I'm just giving them a little warm up. Look, you know what I mean? You know what it is. Andy's got the tag on, old school. Man after my own heart. Love it. Love it. See the legs. Come on, sexy.
Full up, bro. Full up.
Thank you, brother. Love.
Get those man
Guys,
boots on.
it's such a beautiful night actually. It's a really nice night. It's a super nice night. So, you know, love it. Show the two again. Very nice. I still prefer the ones on your feet. But
This is 10.
yeah, I still prefer these, but they're very nice. These are nicer for me. What do you think? You prefer these or you prefer the others?
You know what, bruv? Like, I'm a sucker for a plain pair. Like, I do love these. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Like, but the other one does them nicely. Nice.
But I'm a fan of these more, I think, actually. But
I
obviously
still
they're
rock
coming.
them. I still
No,
rock
they're
them.
coming. They're coming home. Just maybe not tonight, unfortunately, or tomorrow.
How much that makes a difference. It was crazy.
Which pair are you preferring, guys?
The new ones.
The new ones, yeah? Because of the gum sole?
I think the new ones.
Yeah, the gum sole make them pop.
Say
And I
again?
like velour as
The new
well.
ones are the best of the bunch.
Yeah.
100%.
I like these plain. I'm a more plain, but obviously, actually I have these.
Let's have a look.
Let's have a gander. Walk and talk. Taylor's gonna walk me through. Unfortunately, they closed. I mean, the shop's closed anyway, but
It's been a while, but
So-
fuck it.
it has been a while. Have a
Come through,
little
walk and talk, walk and talk.
walk and talk as you
and talk,
do.
bub.
Come on.
There you go.
Talking and
Zoom
walking.
in, right.
Zoom in. Right, there you go. Have a word. So, again, these or these? What's your preference? These or these? What's your preference? I'm leaning these, but these are very nice as well. Gum sole, green, felt. You're not really gonna go wrong, but understated. And you know, a man like Taylor rocking them like a king. Come on. They shall be yours, young prince.
It's helpful ones. I'm not sure how I feel about them.
I think they look really good, but
I'm quite disappointed they say London inside though.
yeah, but why don't they?
If it's inspired by the £20 note and the £5 note, why doesn't it say London on the
London
sideline?
on the side, yeah.
I got my London from 2019
London
still,
thing.
the red ones.
It's a London thing.
I actually got
It's
hand
a London thing. It's a London thing. Sorry.
It's not a Northern thing.
Censor,
It's a
censor,
It's a
censor.
London thing.
Censor.
Some base up.
Nicky,
Oh damn! I
Nicky.
forgot the next. What?
it's still bar from away
I
days.
was raving those days. Too young.
Back in the day, we used to give you
Well, I'm not a teenager anymore. Remember, I'm like about 75 years old.
Oh, you see him? Foundations, bruv. He's fucking foundations.
Fantastic. Sorry, I forgot. Not the boat. Not the boat.
Fresh from the source.
I'm. No.
What are you wearing?
I'll check it out. I know.
Do you not know what they are?
I know they're the comms, but what's with the sound?
Henderson, Japanese collaboration.
I've never seen them.
Lovely.
Henderson, they did a lot of Jordan 1s, Jordan 4s. They used like leather, proper leather.
I see this from Weatherspoon's Gazelle Indoors.
They look so good though. I like them. I'm not gonna lie. What did you like them?
Oh, it looks wavy, bro. It looks
I
I'll be honest,
they
the
look
other ones
good, man.
Nobody really likes it.
Does that exist?
I don't care about any of
You know
those.
what? I bought them. I was like, I'm not feeding them. I took them back. Like, it's not me.
Yeah.
They're not me.
Nah, this is what I'm saying. I didn't care about any of those.
That's
at all.
that swingy teddy thing.
Yeah, no, I'm not really. Like the superstars, it's like.
Right,
No.
you sitting this man's like fucking like the back, that is proper Spezial. Go on, stand up and show him the back of your top. Go on, Sam.
Go on, Sammy,
Up
go
again,
on.
Sam. Show him the back of that. That is.
There you go.
Go on, get the badge in.
Nice one. Love it.
I remember
Thank
seeing
you,
that
sir.
Boss's party a
Thank
couple
you,
years
sir.
back.
He's probably fitting.
Has anybody got a one bra? Like these blues?
I know, they're so nice.
Great little great.
First time wearing them, to be fair.
Is it?
Oh, for real.
And you didn't trip over a pavement or anything?
What's that?
You know what? I bought 230s, both the navy, the Argentinas, and the yellow.
Too tight. I don't like it. I think they're shit.
No, you said it. I think
They're
they're
too tight.
No,
Too
you said
tight.
it. I like them though. The only reason I didn't get them is because I got Berlin.
Tight that, wasn't it?
It's just a fact. I got it for
That's all right,
free.
mate.
Yeah.
I won't pay for them.
Which one did you get?
But Brighton.
Yes, I confess.
Yeah, it's an open
Can't smoke the reefer.
For me,
I can't
they're
sleep.
the best of the bunch. Brighton.
Legend.
More
They
wearable.
passed
I
away
really
now,
like
haven't
the black one, right?
Yeah, we are, yeah.
I've got a size 10 myself, 30 quid.
they? You're one of those. Look at you, reseller.
Rock, isn't it? Yeah.
Wembley's a bit of a trek, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
So
It's not bad if you get up early enough.
Don't get too drunk, it's
Get that in.
Get this in as well. It was
Go
20
on,
years
show
ago
me.
today.
Come on.
Sergeant Pepper.
Gotta get it in.
LG tattoo.
Yeah.
Come on. Dedicated.
That's it.
Dedicated. You guys are not dedicated. That's your problem. Nice one, man.
Yeah, nice
Yeah,
one.
take care,
Cheers.
man.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
Do not pass go straight to jail. Do not collect 200 quid and do not get drunk tonight.
Oh, you fucked the second one up?
Which one's you missing, Mickey? Which one's you missing? We're there, Bristol for today.
Or take your community chest. Take a chance. I'm done now. In my opinion.
Yeah. What, the green ones?
I'm sorry for not being better than them. I'm not. That's it. I thought you put that back there. I was going to have
No, the shoes are tidy.
That just came out of nowhere. It was a size exclusive.
They all say it's a size exclusive, didn't it? But it ain't, is it? Size exclusive.
Yeah, a couple months here, they've been M&M direct.
You know, some of the sizes are quite hard to find, honestly. M&M.
M&M direct.
2K max.
Exactly. Size 22.
I was only trying to make it laugh.
The thing is, someone posted like a size 17 superstar on CK Max.
Oh, here we go. Oh, look at this. Oh, here we go.
Man,
Here we go.
I swear I've got a kid
Here
this
we
thing
go.
coming
Hang
again.
on. Hold your horses. Hold your horses.
Bit of surge.
There we go. Bit of Paul Smith as well.
Never heard of it.